everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you what I completed for February and what I'm going to use for my paper stash smash in March. The criteria for March is 6 by 8, 8 by 8, 8.5 by 11 paper pads, collections, whatever. So this is what I smashed for February. I used a baby girl. Actually, I had two of these 6 by 6 paper pads from Echo Park. And I did also have some ephemera. So I made a couple of baby girl albums to put in my Etsy shop because baby girl is always so much fun. And I show you how to use 6 by 6 paper pad. That is the fabulous thing about this collab is if you have 6 by 6 paper pads, and if you're a paper crafter, I can't imagine that you don't, then if you want to smash it, all the people in the collabs give their ideas on what they did to smash it. So go check out the other collaborators. There is a playlist to show you all of the videos for February, or all what everybody used in February, so just check that out below and follow along. I also smashed this vintage Valentine. I don't usually do a lot of Valentine-y Day things, but I was in the mood to. There were some fun things, fun paper, and I show you how to smash this entirely down to the teeny tiny scraps, so that was fun. Well, there's more baby girl ephemera. I also smashed the Disco Cowgirl 6 by 6 paper pad. So this is a recent addition, and obviously it's sort of a Western theme with pink, and it had disco balls and foil accents, and it did not have bum fuzzles. I used bum fuzzle designs with the vintage Valentine. That's an Etsy shop, and there were some really cute things that I printed off for that. So I made 3 different style mini albums using the 6 by 6 paper. One was 6.5 by 6.5, and 2 were 7 by 7 mini albums. So I think there's at least one tutorial in that set. So check that out. I will put the link so you can check that out. And then, as I told you guys in the beginning of the month, I was not feeling this happy crafting paper pad. I did get some great ideas from my subscribers on how to use that. And by the end of the month, I just was done with it. I had ephemera and whatever. So I made a couple of cinch bound little notebooks. So you can check that out and see what I made with that. All right, let's turn our attention to what we're going to use for March. Criteria again is smaller than 12 by 12, bigger than 6 by 6. I did pick up this Graphic 45 Spring is in the Air 8 by 8 paper pad. I know I will be smashing this. I could use Bitty Penny's 6 by 8. Those are in the criteria. You know, I'm going to put these down. I just feel like I know what I want to do with some of these. I mean, look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? But I will be actually getting some more Bitty Penny 6 by 8. So I'll probably include that in what I do for the month. I don't want to do this. This is a wedding. I'm not feeling wedding. I know the 6 by 8 criteria will come around again. So I'll probably do it later in the year. I do want to smash these Boho Sunshine papers. Yeah, I'll put that down. There's not much in here. I do have some ephemera, so I'm sure I can make some cards or something with that. I have 12 by 12 Alice pads that I think I'll just wait till I smash that 12 by 12. I'm not feeling Halloween. Oh, fairy dust. Fairy dust. I'm not going to do the dog one. I really just finished dog. All right, we'll do fairy dust. So I'll put back my 6 by 6 and let's go over these. All right, so this Bitty Penny, there's 2 collections here. One is Page Turner, so that's like a library theme, but I did make some fun things. I mean, look at those. Isn't that pretty? So anyhow, this will be my if I run out of things to do pack. fairy dust. So this is a Graphic 45 collection. It's dated 2017. I also have the journaling and ephemera cards. I so wish that G45 would bring those back. Which is for fairy wings, which is different than fairy dust. But still, it's pretty, and it'll go along with it. I can make it work. So yeah, I want to do that. So those I will do. That I will do. The size isn't exactly in the criteria. I'm going to put this aside. All right, that should give me something to start with. So, so bigger than 6 by 6, smaller than 12 by 12 is basically a criteria. I'm excited to work on this. I've had it for a little bit, and I've made other things with this fairy dust collection, but I'm excited to work on that again. And then we'll see what I get new from Biddy Penny. I'm looking forward to that too. So that should give me things to keep me busy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see what all the other collaborators are going to use this month, and subscribe to their channel so you see what they've made, and they'll give you some inspiration on how you can use this size paper collections and smash your stash as well. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.